I live in the suburbs of Syracuse, New York. I've had many years of different dental procedures done. I ended up with some sort of infection, and the doctors in Syracuse could not help me. And for months, I had no upper teeth. I could not eat. The doctor kinda said, maybe we should have done Zygomatic.
Laura was very interesting. She found us online. She's from New York. She's been through multiple surgeries after surgeries of bone grafting, sinus lift. To no avail, she was still wearing a denture. One of the surgeons she was seeing in New York had mentioned Zygomatics, and they said that you're going to have to find somebody.
I started going through the internet, just looking. What is Zygomatic? I came across New Teeth of Chicago and Dr. Acha. And so I got my plane ticket and everything, and I told my husband it's probably something I'm never going to be able to do, but I'll go anyways. Dr. Acha showed us what he could do, was very confident that it could be done. My husband was right there with me and was all for it because he knew how sad and how depressed I had become.
She never looked back. It was the best decision she's made, and making that trip from New York to Chicago was worth it because nobody was able to solve her problem, and she found comfort in what we could do for her.
This is what was left. The bottom teeth were absolutely completely failing, but the upper teeth were completely gone. Putting the Zygomatics in and giving you a full set of permanent teeth was smile for us. This is not just surgery.
We forget aesthetics and the support that
Patients want and desire.
Changes your life.
It does.
It provides us a lot of satisfaction and really reconnect those people to something that they've lost. What they lost. They lost their confidence. And we are so happy and grateful that we are part of reconnecting that for them.